So first off, threading this machine, you can put your reel of thread on the spool at the back, which is the kind of metal stick poking up, and you can just sit the thread on there, and you're going to pull your thread over to this hook that's at the back. There's a little hook with a kind of catch that you want to push the thread through until it's caught in between the two, and it should run quite smoothly like that. And then taking the end of the thread, I want to try and get it through this kind of hook that's going across so that it comes through like that. You're then going to bring it down and kind of tuck it behind this wheel so it gets caught behind there. And then at this point you want to make sure the take-up lever is up, so that's this hook here, which you can just see poking out, and you can use the wheel on the side to bring up the take-up lever, and then you take the thread behind it so that it sits in the little circle that's in the take-up lever, and then bring it back down. Then there's a little hook just above the needle that you can push the thread behind, so it's caught behind there. And then you might just need to cut your thread down, and you can thread the needle from front to back. Once the top thread is in and it's running smoothly, you can do the bobbin thread. So the bobbin is the little circular wheel of thread that goes in the bottom, and you want it to be going anti-clockwise in its metal bobbin case. So you're looking at the bobbin case and you put it in, and the thread should be going anti-clockwise there. And then there's a small kind of groove that you want to push the thread into, and then trap it under the plate and catch it around the hook there. So it should be running smoothly. So it's firstly going through this little groove here, under the plate and under the hook. And then you can just put it in the machine so that this side is facing out and the kind of stick is facing up, and that just clicks into a little hole in the casing of the machine, and you should hear quite a big click like that, so that you know that it's definitely secure. And then you can use the wheel on the right hand side of the machine to take the needle down until the top thread catches the bottom thread. So you might need to pull on the top thread, and then that'll bring the bobbin thread up, and you can just either use some scissors or your fingers if it's up enough to pull that thread out. So you should end up with two threads there sitting on top and both of them running smoothly. And then you can just close the front of the bobbin area.